everybody. We're back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
Making me her daughter. Welcome to This Made Up Life.
We are making it up today by trying out some clothes from LaLo and Company. They are a new clothing brand, and I love how really basic this first collection from them is.
Yeah, me too. So I have on today their Sandpiper tee. It comes in black and white, obviously, and a sapphire blue color, which is super pretty. It's a poly rayon spandex, making it super soft and luxurious. I like this little kind of step detail back here, and then this rolled cuff. I decided to put on some bike shorts with this longer kind of tee to play with proportion a little bit. When you're tall, shorts that should go to your knee just don't. So that's fun to deal with. And then I added this little denim shirt, a hat, shoes, bracelet, pop of color. You're ready to go out somewhere.
That's really cute. I like it. I love the way that shirt. What size are you wearing?
I am wearing am I wearing a small?
Yes.
I'm wearing a small. Woohoo! And it fits really well. A little bit loose, which I like. I like a more forgiving shape.
Yeah.
So yeah.
It's cute. I'm wearing the Fairview Ruffle dress. And I have to be totally honest and say I was not particularly excited about this style. It just, on the hanger, when I pulled it out of the box, it just didn't
call to you.
Didn't call to me. But once I put it on, it is super comfortable. It's modal spandex, so it's got some nice drape to it.
That's why the ruffle looks so good.
Yeah, isn't it pretty?
Yeah, super pretty.
And I love the sleeve length. This is a great sleeve length for me because I'm always pushing them up anyway. And I love just how basic and simple it is. I went with a size large because I wanted the length. I always struggle with things just not quite being long enough where I'm comfortable. And so I do like having a little extra length. And that's what I like about this dress is that you kind of can size up and down a little bit. It's not fitted, so you can pick which size you like the fit on.
Tailor it
for
to
you.
Your needs,
It's
wants.
got pockets on its own. It's a really, really great, simple piece.
Yeah, it's cute.
Great building block. And I put it on with this Cascade vest, which from Agnes and Dora, still one of my favorites. I love the way it just kind of lengthens it. It breaks up the ruffle because I tend not to be a real ruffle gal.
You like things a little more on the boxy, straight edge side.
And I added some color in a scarf just to kind of bring the eye back up to my face because, you know, whatever. Anyway, and I did it with a fun...
more fashion-forward heel, probably.
Well, yeah,
right?
it's a little different than for me, but I like it. It kind of makes me feel a little bit more fashionable. Yeah. So now we're going to see what Cecilly does with this dress.
And we're going to see what she does with this awesome top.
We're back.
Hi.
All right, we traded up.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
I know. I'm with you.
Isn't that the greatest white shirt?
Fell in love with this shirt.
It's so good.
It's kind of an off-white. It's cream. So it's a color that is more flattering on me than a flat white.
Stark white.
I love the weight of this shirt. It's weighty enough that I feel it hangs, but it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
I don't know how else to explain it. I love the V-neck. I threw it on with a little cami with some front strap detail just to kind of give it some contrast. And then, of course, my faves.
Camo.
I would totally go anywhere in this. This is a comfortable go-to. I love the stepped hem, the vented side. This is a size small. I typically wear a small or a medium. I'm about an 8'10". So this is, but I obviously I'm not incredibly well endowed. So if you were more
endowed,
then you might want to go size up because I really like how sleek and simple this is.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah. I tried tucking it, doing the front tuck and stuff. No, I really just like it out.
Yeah, it's a good length on you.
It's a good, fun, easy to wear, one and done.
Yeah, nice.
All right, so tell me about the dress.
So this dress is super awesome. It, again, with you, on the hanger, it wasn't calling to me, and then I put it on and I was like, oh, okay, this dress is awesome. So I love the pockets. It comes in a bunch of colors. It comes in Cabernet, like wine color. It comes in this hunter green. It comes in a sapphire blue, a ruby red color, this mustard color that we showed you kind of earlier, and then black, because everyone needs a sweet little black dress. I decided to put some like scarves kind of with it, and then I put a belt over it to kind of just break up these long lines here, and then just a simple flat. I always feel weird wearing heels because it cuts it off in these videos, so I'll probably always be in flats.
You should wear heels.
But then I'm like cut off.
Oh, my favorite thing was when I handed her the dress in between, hearing you say, oh my gosh, I really do like this dress.
Yeah, like it's so good. I highly recommend it.
It was a little bit of a surprise because I just think we didn't anticipate liking something. It's pretty simple, but it's really, really cute and it's really flattering. I would, this is a size large. I would probably suggest you size up.
I would size up.
Because I like the way this one hangs in the large. I think
we can show you how
in a small, it would be a little less.
Oh, that's my mic.
We're testing out.
We're testing out mics. All right. So this is what it would look like.
So cute.
But still just so cute. Like,
and easy to wear. Yeah, like I can totally see you wearing that.
Yeah, it's great.
I love it. So we have some links to shopping for LaLo and Company in our
bio
and the blog.
Oh, and the blog.
And then yeah, we hope you guys will try it. If you buy something from LaLo, hashtag us, hashtag I made this up, so we can see what you've got and what you think, because we think they're really awesome.
And also, don't forget to like this video.
Oh, that's right. And follow if you like it. And even better,
share it. Share.
Thanks for joining us on this journey.
We'll see you later, guys.